Charles is taking the sandwiches down to the shed for lunch boxes. And magically, our combines got moved. Thank you.
Water turned off.
Water's still on.
You gonna come back?
Nope. Good morning. Day 10 starts with thick smoke in the air and the anticipation of high temperatures again with low humidity. So it's one of those days where you pray that nothing happens as far as a fire goes. Fire extinguishers are locked and loaded and ready to go just in case. We certainly don't need that activity in our field. Let's see what today brings. The band is back together again. And we're back to field peas. That's what we have for the day. We have peas popping pretty easily when I touch the pods. Plenty dry. Try that again. Just touch it and then pops. Very much like soybeans at home. On the move again.
Here we go. Stuff going to Bow House, yeah. Down the alfalfa. Yeah, and then you just sit on the main road, then we don't have to have those trucks in the field. Gotcha.
Smoke moved in this evening. It's pretty thick. It's hiding the sun. and you can smell it today. It's 8:30 and it looks like it's going on 10 o'clock. Lots of smoke. This is day 11 and you can hardly see the sunshine. Just a big red ball in the sky. Day 11, getting started. See what the day brings. workers only have a short distance to go, because this field might keep them a little bit busy. You got the boss today.
Already.
What do you need?
Run up there to that gravel pit road and wait right at the corner for me. I'll dump on the go. You can sit on the road. We can do it there.
Looks like Jimmy's got a broken sickle section. Probably hit a rock. This is last load before supper, so we'll cool our machines down and then head to the shop for dinner.
Fantastic!
What are you excited about, Dave?
You caught me on video.
Probably not enough, though.
I don't know what that is. More of the same?
Yeah, I would say so.
You think?
Yeah. Potato salad that Dave got excited about. If you don't have one of those California dusters, you need one. My machine is done for the day. It's tired. A belt broke that runs the left spreader, and it seemed to be acting like it was struggling to have any sort of power. So I don't know if that had anything to do with the belt that broke, or if it broke because of lack of power, who knows. But anyways, regardless, the guys are going to finish this field, and then we'll take it all home and assess the situation. Taking her home. Jed's gonna lead me there. Make sure traffic doesn't not see us. That is not how that belt's supposed to look. Are you sure there's something I can't do to help?
Okay, but you have the upper one. Okay, let me call Dennis to see what, because I looked in the shop real quick and we don't have the lower ones either. I thought I saved a couple of used ones.
Enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notifications so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.